Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can add an exit pop-up to your website. Adding an exit pop-up to your website is a great way to grab the attention of your site visitors before they leave your website. Exit pop-ups are versatile. You can add content, graphics, or forms in your pop-ups. You can also add and show subscription forms or show offers or discounts to your users before they leave. So in this video, I have set up a fresh WordPress website to show you that how you can create an exit pop-up easily with few clicks. Let's navigate to that website and start adding an exit pop-up. So here we are. So very first, we will navigate to the plugins and click on add new. Here we will look for optimum exit pop-up. Now click on install now. Once it is installed, we will need to activate it. So let's activate this. Once activated, now click on Optimum Exit Popup. Here you can set up your plugin values like pop-up heading, subheading, and content or subcontent. Click on this, check this to enable, and add the values like I am adding here. Here you will add subheading, and here we can add any HTML content or any form that we want to display. And here we can show some text that will be shown below the form or below content. So here I am going to type some form. In this field you can add any kind of HTML code, you can display any short code, you can add constant contact form 7 or gravity form shortcode here. You can also add shortcode for any WooCommerce product or any other plugin. When you are done adding your values, click on save changes to save. Now let's navigate to the front end to see how it looks. Here we have our exit pop-up that we have created. Was not that easy and quick? Yeah, sure it is. You can also change the look and feel of this pop-up using CSS in your theme files. For more awesome videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.